Hi everyone, let's talk about something that's not on our radar, but should be. Wastewater treatment, specifically the Bionest STP. I know what you are thinking, wastewater management, really, but stick with me, because this is exactly the kind of revolution that could save our planet. First off, why does wastewater management matter? Every drop of water we use has to go somewhere, and it often goes back to our rivers, lakes, and oceans carrying pollutants and harmful substances that causes spread of diseases. Traditional wastewater does a decent job, but they can be inefficient in terms of energy, and also sludge handling is a gross job, creating a blot on the land. Enter the Bionest STP. This isn't just another treatment plant, but it's a game changer. The Bionest STP is a combination of three advanced biotechnological phenomena like microbiology, phytoremediation, and bioremediation. Here is how it works. Bionest STP has two parts only. First is the septic tank and the second one is the treatment area. The wastewater enters the underground septic tank, also called as anaerobic baffle reactor, having 4 compartments. In the septic tank, the solid heavy particles tend to settle down. The microbes added to the septic tank at time of installation only will metabolize the sludge, thus converting it into simpler form. Due to presence of this special microbial consortium, the sludge generation and handling is delayed by minimum 20 years, which would have instead been a yearly activity. The water is pumped from the 4th compartment and fed to the Bionest capsule 1 of the Bionest STP. The Bionest capsules has a gradient of aggregates, placing the larger aggregates at the bottom of the treatment tank and smaller aggregates on top of it, together forming a filter media. A complex Bionest culture media is placed forming the topmost layer of Bionest capsule. Specific plants are planted in the Bionest capsules so that phytoremediation is initiated. The Bionest STP utilizes a specifically designed bacterial consortium, which forms a colony in the series of Bionest treatment tanks, where they work their magic, that is cleaning the wastewater that flows through it. The colony formation is known as biofilm. There is a symbiotic relation between the plants and bacterial consortia. This process removes the harmful contaminants and odor from the wastewater and produces clean, reusable water. Similarly, the water moves through gravity to the Bionest capsule 2 and gets filtered again through the Bionest media and filter media present in the Bionest capsule 2. Finally, treated water is passed through a rock zone to further remove impurities and increase dissolved oxygen in the treated water. The treated water is then collected in a treated water tank, then is used for gardening, reflushing, car washing, firefighting, horticulture, agriculture and groundwater recharge, as it complies with Pollution Control Board discharge norms. There is no foul smell during the treatment process or from the treated water collected. Moreover, Bionest media is self-regenerating and there is no need to change it. The best part, it uses significantly less energy as compared to any conventional STP while reducing carbon footprint. Here are some actual site pictures of Bionest STP installation. The Bionest STP uses no machinery or chemicals for the treatment of wastewater, thus, it has a very little maintenance and operational expense. It is also modular in scale, that means it can be customized for small communities and also large cities. Bionest STP is like having a personal cleanup system that works efficiently and has negligible operational expense. So why should you care? Because clean water is crucial for our health, environment, and the future. Thus, reclaiming water is important for sustainable solution, and Bionest STP does exactly that. With climatic change and pollution on the rise, we need innovative solution like Bionest STP to ensure that our water remains safe and sustainable. Imagine a world that every drop of wastewater is treated and reused efficiently, where our rivers and oceans are cleaner. We are not just using water but reusing it. That's the kind of future that Bionest STP can help create. So next time you hear about wastewater management, remember it's not just about getting rid of the waste, but it's about creating a sustainable, healthier world for all of us, and the Bionest STP is leading the way. Let's keep working towards a cleaner planet.